Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marvel's Tech. In this video, I'm going to deal with Ugandans, most so the Airtel users. In this case, those who need the KYC activation, Airtel Uganda know your customer. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and other social media handles. We are the most trusted YouTube channel that deals with Uganda customers, most of those that use Airtel when it comes to setting up VPN applications. So this is how we're going to do. First and foremost, before we continue, we're going to open YouTube, and this is our page. Let me show you what I want you to do and how you will activate your SIM card to KYC. Let me try to log in using another account. I want you to do only this thing. We're going to search Marvel's Tech on YouTube, and then once we search Marvel's Tech on YouTube, initially this one, it will be looking like this. This is how I want you to behave. I want you to come, and then I want you to check this subscribe button, and then once you finish subscribing to this YouTube channel and you see that you have subscribed, enable the notification bell and choose all. After choosing all, this is how we're going to do. You're going to come and then tap right there. After subscribing, I will be seeing you that you have subscribed, and then after you're going to come right here. This is how we're going to do. Come right there, and then you're going to come and then choose this option of WhatsApp me. You're going to WhatsApp me, and I'm going to be activating for you the Airtel Uganda SIM card KYC. Right now the servers are on. You're going to bring only 20k Uganda shillings. No negotiations, but that is the only money to prevent that is the direct money you're going to be getting. Only 20k Uganda shillings. I'm going to be activating for you your Airtel SIM card to KYC, and you'll be able to use some not some, you're going to be you're going to unlock your UDP protocol. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. I'm Marvel's Tech, and I sign out. Let us meet in the next tutorial.